How to automate affiliate payouts with PayPal. In this article, you'll learn exactly how to automate affiliate payouts with PayPal. Important: if your affiliates have chosen PayPal as their method of receiving their affiliate commissions, you can automate their commission payments only if you have more than 25 affiliate invoices whose receiving method is PayPal. Only then will you have the possibility to connect the PayPal account of commission payments to your affiliates, connecting your PayPal account to System.io. Once you have more than 25 affiliate invoices pending payment, in order to automate affiliate payments via PayPal, you must connect your own PayPal account to System.io in the appropriate section to activate the automatic payment. Click on your profile picture and select Settings, Affiliate Program Settings. You will see a clickable link, Connect your PayPal account at the top of the page. After clicking on Connect, you will be asked to enter your PayPal client ID in secret. To find these credentials, go to https://developer.paypal.com/developer/applications, then click on Live. Click on Create App, then your client ID in secret will be displayed. Simply copy this information into the relevant fields on System.io and your PayPal account will be connected. After creating your credentials, please ask the PayPal support team to activate the automated payouts feature. The PayPal support team will then ask you several questions and thereafter they will process the request. Now all affiliate payouts for affiliates who chose PayPal are automated. Payments are made as soon as the affiliate invoices are generated on the 10th of the month.